Good morning, friends. Welcome to yet another episode of Sunflowerland. Probably all of you got panicked after seeing these. Where are my crops? Where are my boulders? These are all gone, right? So, here I am going to show you how you can get those things back into game again and not to panic at all. They have uploaded or updated their version so that they are imbalanced. Some people got more resources and few people got less resources. So who got more resources, they are making huge profit, and those people are unlucky, unfortunate, they didn't get that much resources. So they are not earning much SFL per day. So Sunflower Land team has decided to among all the players, balance the resources among all the players. But here you can see, if you come to basket, you can see all the resources are stored here. Along with, if you go to chest, you can see all your trees, all your boulders, even iron rock and gold rock. Not only that, those crop plots are there, so you can place it. But before that, they have given an idea how you can build your sunflower land farming empire. This is the idea: land expansion and resources. What resources can I find? Soil, plant crops, trees, stone, iron, gold, fruit patches, boulders, right? And one more important point: expanding land does not require a blockchain transaction. You must wait a time period while the land is being built before revealing your resources. So without wasting any more time, I am clicking on expand, and it will take 10 stone, 2 iron and 1 gold, as well as 1 block buck ticket. Fortunately I had that, so I am clicking on expand, and after 30 minutes it will get expanded, and then I'll see what resources I'll get. So they have given a clear idea what the land packs are and what will be the benefit of that. Amount of resources you find depends on how many pieces of land you have. For the starter expansion, first to 8, all the players will receive the same amount of resources when expanding. For later expansions, please see. These are the land packs. Once a player reach the more advanced expansion, they will enter land pack mode. During a land pack, a player randomly receives a pack of land from that pack. A piece of land from that pack. On following expansion, they will receive one of the remaining expansion in that pack. This means that you may have more or less resources than someone at certain level. However, once you both reach the final expansion in that pack, you will have attained the exact amount of resources. The expansion 9 to 11 will have exact amount of resources when you reach number 11. This is the pack. So while you are at 9, you may have something more in your land pack, more in your land expansion. But while you are at 11, then all the players who have expanded their lands 11 times, they will get the same amount of resources. The same goes for land pack 12 to 14 and expansion of 15 to 17. This is, they are saying that resource reboot Monday 3rd April 2023. There was an imbalance of resources throughout sunflower land. That was the main cause. They have taken away all the resources, but you can still place your resources into your plot. Where are my resources? I have already shown you what happened to my crops foods in progress. That will automatically be sent to your basket. And today morning also I got my fruits, not fruits, crops. I don't have fruit land yet, so that I have to expand my land in future, and then probably I'll get. Where are my boulders? To prevent confusion, we have removed boulders from the game. When the feature is ready, player will be airdropped the boulders if they pass the certain expansion. I have different amount of resources than someone at the same expansion. This is already referred to the land packs. Why do I have more resources than before? The game then previously had bad RNG. That means it was not evenly balanced. So now every player has same number of resources. I am missing resources? The purpose of rebalance was to remove the imbalance of resources and make the game fairer. This means player with excessive resources may lose some of their resources after much deliberation. This was only way to achieve true fairness in the game. These players have had an advantage for past 6 months, and that has now come to an end. Few players got huge advantage for last 6 months. Can I move my resources? Landscaping is currently in progress. Once this is completed, you will be able to move your resources. Until then, choose wisely where you initially place your resources. So you can till you can place your resources, but landscaping is going on. So let them finish the landscaping process, and after that process will be finished, your resources will be placed. Else you can place your resources according to your wish, because this whole land is yours. So you can see all the buildings what you had already, it's still there. Only those resources like trees, boulders, rock stones and gold stones are not available here. So you can place all those things, and you can have those tools once again. As I am expanding this, let it let the expansion finished, then I'll see what is going on. Probably nothing will change, and I can place all those things once again. From here you go to chest and place all the trees and boulders according to your wish. That's all, my friends. If you like this video, please share and subscribe this. Thank you very much for watching. Cheers.